Greetings, beloved human cousins. We are the Yayels. We want to ask you, how ordinary are you in your ordinary life? Because in fact, we want to inspire you to be able to see more of the magic and miracles that is in fact surrounding you all the time, everywhere, and that you may or may not choose to observe and connect with, because we promise that with a more open dialogue, you might say, with your surrounding world, invisible and visible, you will claim more of your power and enjoy more of the so-called ordinary life activities in your life. Life happens every second, and in fact, you happen every millisecond. You have the choice to experience and express exactly what you want and wish. You have the freedom to experience and express abundance or prosperity or love or health or well-being. You simply do this by choosing to observe and celebrate the actual abundance that is in your life, as well as any theme that you wish to explore and expand further within. You are abundant every millisecond. You have air to breathe. You have intelligence to use. You have creativity to explore. And you do, in fact, also have a whole team of invisible friends, dear ones that have already transitioned, guides, angels, ascended masters, and yes, also other civilizations from outer space or other dimensions. We are reachable, as are you. And when you use all the here and now moments in your ordinary life, you will find yourself expand up to a level that will make it impossible for you to ever again refer to your life as ordinary, because you are in fact divine, as is everybody and everything. We are all creations from source. We are all filled with the power from all that is. So you have an abundance of inspirations and synchronicities and messages and ideas and creativity and laughter and joy to fill your life with and to raise your consciousness with. Likewise, you have all the love you will ever ask for right here, right now. You love yourself. That is the recipe to be able to see how grandiose and gracious and great your love is, and what kind of miracles your love can create. You are perfection in well-being. Just take a moment, close your eyes, breathe deep. Fill yourself with memories of joyful moments and images of loved ones and inspiration from dreams and passions. And right there is your well-being. So we want to inspire you to take a pause, to take a moment to reflect, to take a minute to breathe in and breathe out. Because every time you do this, you are showing mastery of physical experience. Because in your inner world is the answers and the solutions and the strengths and the magic and the miracles that you will experience and be able to express in the outer world. There is no luck making you rich or making you meet your soulmate or giving you the perfect job. There is not even a boss or an organization or a loved one that is giving you anything. What you perceive as receiving from somebody else or from somewhere is you who give yourself. There is no need to look outside for what you want and what you desire. You only need to go within. Close your eyes and imagine. Imagine how you are enjoying the new situation or the new experience. Imagine how you expand in your expressions and experiences. And you are, in fact, doing that at the very moment when you are imagining. Because imagination is not the opposite of reality. Imagination is the foundation of reality. Imagination is what creates your reality. So, knowing that, you understand that it is much more important for you to spend time and attention on your imagination. Much more than you spend time and attention on the outer world. And then you will also see that imagination is actually something that belongs to everybody, depending on how much that individual is opening up and allowing her or his higher mind and divine imagination. But as fully opened and fully allowing all divine imagination to enter your inner world, enter your consciousness, you can quickly come to see that not only are you infinite abundant, because imagination has no limits. You are infinite in love, in well-being, in prosperity, because imagination is the foundation and the frame for reality. It may take some time for you to see that your experienced and expressed imagination in your inner world to manifest physically or observably in your outer world. It may take some time. That does not mean that anything is wrong. That does not mean that you are doing it in a wrong way. That does not mean that it is not supposed to come. Your imagination is always right when you are at the same time filled with love, joy, truth, excitement, passion. You are not wrong. You are not doing anything wrong. There is reasons for the delay, but it has nothing to do with wrongness, because everything is in its perfect divine timing and in its perfect and divine way. You can just relax and know that the imaginations, the dreams, the ideas, the inspirations that fills you up with joy and love and passion is divine, is for you. But most probably in an even better way that you as a human being could even imagine. It could very well arrive in a way and exist in a fashion that your human brain could never have realized and understood. Because imagination is from within and is from your higher mind. And imagination from a higher perspective is always beneficial and perfect for everybody involved. Is always arriving and occurring in the most perfect way. So rest assured that your moments with your imaginary world is never wrong. It's never wasted. Is never meaningless. Quite the opposite. It is the most meaningful way that you can spend your awakened time to do. To vision and imagine the most perfect life in the most perfect society So we highly recommend that you spend all possible moments in your inner world and create, master. We are observing with joy and passion, and we are imagining how wonderful it will be when we finally will meet each other face to face, when the Yayels come to visit planet Earth and its beloved human cousins. Thank you.